Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to unhide the formula bar on your Google Sheet on your PC or computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to enable the formula bar on your Google Sheet on your PC or computer. To enable the formula bar, you can see the formula bar on the top will be disabled in some case. So this formula bar, if it is disabled, you can't see the formula bar if you are opening a new sheet. Doesn't matter. So if you just want to enable the formula bar, just do this option. It will be automatically unhided or enabled. So you just want to click the view option on the top of your Google Sheet. Then you will see an option called show. Click on this. Now you can see the formula bar on the side. So you can see it's disabled or hidden. So just want to unhide it, just click on the formula bar which actually operates and it will open on the top. This is how you just enable the formula bar on your Google Sheet on your PC or computer. And if you have any doubt about the Google Sheet on your web or computer, just comment below, just make a video about it, and we will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.